Welcome to this Tangram sneak peek video where today we're going to be looking at the new net revenue forecasting tool by WorkBook. The net revenue forecast is WorkBook's new automated revenue forecasting tool. It pulls live data from quotes, pipelines, budgets and actual revenue taken and sums it into client and client lead summary views. It automatically forecasts the revenue remaining for each job and client based on one of 4 configurable methods. An even split of revenue remaining to be taken between today and the end date, derived from the billing forecast on the job, or one of 2 similar variations on the weighting of the scheduled work remaining. So let's take a closer look at the process. Each month, the agency would generate a new forecast based upon their choice of forecasting method. The system then replaces the prior month's net revenue forecast with the actual revenue numbers that have been recognised. In the top grid, we see a summary by client, and then we can select the client to see the breakdown of this forecast and the actuals that make up these numbers. Based upon the price quote net revenue and the remaining amount to be recognised, the future values of the forecast are then created. I've based this forecast on the schedule method. And here you can see that the remaining net revenue to recognise is weighted across the current and future months. This is based upon the weighting of the work scheduled to complete the job. We can override numbers where required, with the system providing hoverovers, helping to direct us on revenue remaining to forecast. Up in the top section, client and team leads can review the data summarised by the client. We can also use standard modify grid features to allow us to group this data by client account lead. Budgets can be overlaid to help compare the performance and forecasts to the actual client targets. Over on the right-hand side, we can review the configuration and settings of our net revenue forecast and choose to exclude certain datasets as required. This has been a Tangram sneak peek into the forecasting functionality as it stands today. But the current iteration of this functionality is still in its infancy. There's some exciting approval workflows, reporting and other enhancements still in the pipeline over the coming releases. So for more information on WorkBook, please visit workbook.net. And if you would like some more information on Tangram and the services that we provide to agencies on their forecasting or their software implementations in general, please get in touch at info@tangramconsulting.com.au.